Anticipated winds combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County critical.
We're running across the remains of individual community members. That is not easy work, very sad to report, and I believe that work is not only going to continue, but I believe will continue to find remains.
It feels weird for people who still have a house, which are not that many left in the Palisades, that they wouldn't be able to just go and, give everyone some time to get things out and then just get them out. But I get it. It's hard.
The dry conditions and winds increasing, it's possible that evacuation orders may increase. I know overnight we saw some of the evacuation orders turn into warnings, but we can absolutely see some of these areas increase to mandatory evacuations again. So we urge you, please heed these orders. It can save your life.